to the room. We're going to do a quick live. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope everyone's enjoying their Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're around great family, great friends. Be safe as you travel to and from family members' houses. Okay. Hold on one second. Like the video as you guys come in. Like the video as you guys come in. Hold on. Hold on. But I hope everyone's having a good day, a blessed day, a grateful day. Let me see, did I? So yeah, come on in, come on in. Let me see if it's updated. Did that go through? Come on in, everyone. Good morning. Well, it's afternoon now. But like the videos, you guys come in. Can you guys hear me okay? Press 1. Can you guys hear me okay? Press 1. If the sound sounds a little muffled, press 2. I appreciate everyone for being here. I hope you're having a great turkey day. We're going to just do a brief update. I almost should have did it yesterday, but of course busy, grabbing stuff, doing stuff with family. Diddy was denied bail, so I'm just going to do a quick video regarding that. Many people were wondering, will he receive bail? Yes or no? Come on in, come on in. Like the videos, you guys come in. Can you guys hear me okay? Press 1. Can you guys hear me okay? Press 1. We'll do the normal. If you're new, press 3. If you're new, press 3. If you've been here before, press 5. Come on in, come on in. Okay. Yeah, are you guys surprised that the bail was denied? The judge made a decision. Good morning. Hello, number 3. Yeah, the judge made a decision. I think a lot of people were wondering if the judge would sway. And I kind of told you guys, and like I said, he's innocent until proven guilty by a court of law. It's up to the judge and the jury if there's been any wrongdoing. I've said that from day one, so people can't say I'm not fair. Like the video, like the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I've been around for a while. I think it already shows what the video could be about because there's a picture there, but okay. Let's see. But yeah, we're going to talk about what's being stated. Diddy deny of bail. And I'm wondering if he's going to put in another request. Because you got to remember, they state that you have to, every request, you have to state if there is any new information or updates. So I'm wondering if he's going to act like there's new information or updates. But we're going to get to the clips. So come on in, come on in. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Like the video, like the video. We're going to get through some clips, so just give me a second. Thanks for being here. Press 3 if you knew where you're watching from. Press 5 if you've been here before, where you're watching from. Let's get to the clips.
Breaking news right now on ABC News Live. A judge has denied bail for Sean Diddy Combs. Of course, this was the hip-hop mogul's latest bid for freedom as he remains in federal jail for his racketeering and sex trafficking case. The producer and rapper has pleaded not guilty to racketeering, conspiracy, sex trafficking, and prostitution charges. Combs was previously denied bail back in September as well. For more on this, I'm going to bring in ABC News legal contributor Shauna Lloyd, who's joining us on the phone, as well as ABC News contributor and SiriusXM radio host Mike Muse for more on this. So I'm glad to have you both here with us. So first of all, Shauna, let's jump here to you, because I'm curious at all if you're surprised.
Like the video, like the video. Thanks for being here, everyone. Fair use reaction clip.
By this ruling from the judge here, again, to deny bail to Sean Diddy Combs.
No, I'm not surprised by the ruling because, as she cited in her order, there are very serious allegations about the danger that he potentially poses to other witnesses and the public at large. There are allegations that he has, been violent with others. He's also attempted to allegedly intimidate other witnesses and still contact witnesses while incarcerated, despite having an order that says he's not supposed to. So under these types of conditions, we usually find that the judge will not grant bail in order to preserve the judicial system and the witnesses and ensure that people feel comfortable being able to come to court and testify without being threatened with violence.
And that's part of exactly what the judge is saying, that no condition or combination of conditions will reasonably assure the safety of the community. I mean, Mike Muse, that is quite a statement here when someone is trying to get out on bail, noting that his defense lawyer said, let him out on bail. He would be in his 3-bedroom apartment right in New York, and that he would be monitored at all times. And the judge just not buying it.
Not buying it at all, Kana. And safety can mean a couple different things.
Like the video, like the video. Thanks for being here, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Let me know in the chat. Are you going out? Are you staying in? Are you invited to several places? Let me know in the comments. Press 3 if you're new. Where are you watching from? Press 3 if you're new. Where are you watching from? Press 5 if you've been here before. Where are you watching from? Continue to like the video. If you're on a phone, all you have to do is double tap the screen. If you're using a tablet, all you have to do is double tap the screen to hit the like button. The like button is the thumbs up. So thanks for being here, everyone. Let's continue. Fair use reaction clip.
Safety just doesn't mean free from harm of violence. Safety can also, too, mean emotional and mental dynamics that could occur by Sean Combs reaching out to potential witness to get them to possibly change their testimony, to feel threatened that if they were to come forward and to testify against him, associates on the outside may be able to get in contact with them, really making them feel unsafe to go before the court, go before jury, go before the witness stand and to testify. What we're also, too, seeing is the judge brought in evidence from a text that Cassie sent to Diddy after the elevator incident, where Cassie said, quote, you are sick to think that it was okay to do what you did to me, really feeding into what the judge is concerned about in terms of physical safety. So we highlighted mental and emotional.
And then you have to remember, he did a video apologizing. He didn't say Cassie's name, but he said things in that video, in his apology video. The apology video has been taken down, but they're actually reading what Cassie's message was to him and stating she, feels a way about what happened that day, that night, at the hotel. Like the video, like the video. Press 3 if you're new, where you're watching from. Press 3 if you're new, where you're watching from. Press 5 if you've been here before, where you're watching from. Let's continue to get the likes up. If you're watching from a phone, all it takes is a double tap. It actually helps push us into the algorithm. So let's continue with the video clip. Fair use reaction clip.
Emotional safety as well as physical safety that the judge has cited as a reason needing to keep to deny Sean Combs bail.
Right, and of course that violent incident with Cassie is certainly the crux of this case, and we know that his lawyers have pushed back on that video a lot. His lawyer at one point said that in fact is evidence of a relationship deteriorating when it is viewed clearly very differently by the judge here in this case. But also, Shauna, I'm curious as to your thoughts here on these allegations, right, of witness tampering. We've heard these allegations that he was, using other inmates' phone accounts to try to make phone calls in a way to make it so that they wouldn't be monitored. And there's also this concern that he might be trying to influence the jury pool via social media even while he's behind bars.
Absolutely, and I'm sure the judge really looked into that because although we know that these are allegations, there's been no evidentiary hearing as to whether or not these actually rise to the level of obstruction. Just the idea that he is not even following the rules that are enlisted by the prison is already a sign to the judge that he may not follow any conditions that are set forth. And so those type of allegations, whether or not there's been an evidentiary hearing, just speaks to the actions of the individual while incarcerated. And if you're not having good behavior at that time, the judge is going to look to say that, even if you're let out and left to your own devices, it's not going to get any better. So that has not played in his favor at all.
And Mike, if you can sort of read us in here on what this also says about the larger team around Sean Diddy Combs, noting here that the...
Like the video. Thanks for being here, everyone. Continue to hit the like button. Fair use reaction clip. We're just hearing what the news has to say about Diddy. Thanks for being here.
Judge writes, the sufficiency of any condition that would place trust in Combs and individuals in his employment, like a private security detail, to follow these conditions. I mean, they're really questioning everyone around him as well.
They are. And Kana, just listen to you and trying to talk, I really began to think about not only his associates and who's on his payroll, but also Kana, his family. Sean Combs has a very strong immediate family with his children who also do hold a level of social currency and culture, and who also, too, are really influential on social media. I'm thinking about Kana recently. We saw that was posted on Instagram where the children were gathered around a table and was able to communicate with Sean Combs behind bars to wish him a happy birthday. And you can hear Sean Combs on the speakerphone. They're talking about the love they have for the father. The father is talking about the love that they have for them. So really signaling to any potential witnesses that his children are a tight unit, has great social media currency. Also, too, his sons are actually involved in the music industry, to which before he was arrested, his son made a rap song really questioning the federal government, really questioning potential witnesses to go forward against his father. So when you tie all those things together, you look at the social media dynamic, the social currency, the ability to use music to possibly influence and cross distress to amongst witnesses. That is all part of the safety to which the judge is talking about.
And noting here, this is the fourth judge to deny Combs bail. So again, this has been an ongoing case. He has denied these allegations, and we will continue.
I thought this is the third. Correct me in the comments. I thought this is his third. The first judge, the second judge, and then he just got this judge. Like the video. Thanks for being here, everyone. Yeah, we're just talking about Diddy getting denied bail. But I hope everyone's having a happy Thanksgiving. I hope everyone's enjoying their time with their family. But like the video as you guys come in. Hold on one second. Like the video as you guys come in. I hope you're having a happy Thanksgiving. Are you staying in? Are you going to someone else's house? Did you spend most of the morning cooking like most men and women do for the holiday? Are you going somewhere, having a dish to pass? Let me know in the comments.
He's been detained for 2 months on charges of sex trafficking and racketeering, which he's pled not guilty to. Chloe Malas is following this for us. We were waiting for this decision. We got it in now. What do we know?
All right. Well, it's 5 pages. And the takeaway here is that the judge is saying that no condition or combination of conditions will reasonably assure the safety of the community. And that was what New York prosecutors were saying. I was in court twice last week, and I listened to these prosecutors say that he was a danger to the community. And they showed that video, that surveillance video of him from 2016, brutally beating his then girlfriend, Cassie Ventura, saying that he has a propensity to violence. And that alone is a reason why we cannot agree to the proposed bail package. Now, his team had offered $50 million, a home of his in Miami, as collateral, and they said that he would live in an apartment on Manhattan's Upper East Side, monitored by 24 hours.
And see, that's the other thing too. Where he would live, would the neighbors want him there? Would the media try and be there 24/7, trying to see who's coming in and out? You got to think about the neighbors as well. You know what I mean? Like the video. Thank you, Bobby, for the Thanksgiving wishes. I appreciate that. Like the video. Thanks everyone for being here. I appreciate everyone being here. Like the video.
Our security, that he would only talk to his attorneys, that he would only have, certain family members on a pre-approved list, and that, he would actually be under stricter conditions than he is at the jail in Brooklyn. But clearly, this is the third time.
Yeah.
This judge not buying it.
What was Diddy like in court? You were there twice last week. What was his demeanor like?
I mean, he was smiling on Friday, turned around and looked at his children. All of his children were there except for his infant child. His mother was there. He looked a little thinner. He looked a little worse for wear, but he has seemed upbeat and positive. And a few days earlier on Wednesday, so a week ago today, his legal team had a win because his team was able to say that New York prosecutors wrongly obtained 16 pages of notes from his jail cell during a routine sweep, that it had his defense strategy, it had witnesses that they planned to call at the criminal trial in May, and the judge agreed that those should have been protected under attorney-client privilege. So there was a feeling today among reporter friends of mine and people in the building here that, maybe there's a chance that the judge, given he's taking several days to think about this, he asked for both sides to write a letter, that he might release him. But this is the third time. His team, we're waiting for a response from them, from his legal team. They could appeal again. But we were talking to Danny Ceballos earlier, and he said, they would have to propose something new and different to potentially be successful for a fourth attempt.
Thank you for being on this for us. Appreciate it.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, everyone. I hope everyone's enjoying their afternoon. I hope everyone's enjoying their afternoon. I hope you guys are spending a lot of good quality time with family. I hope you guys are enjoying your time with family. Don't get caught up in no drama with no jokers. Make sure you keep to yourself if there's a bunch of drama going on. Like the video. Thank you for that, for sending love and blessings. I hope you as well have love and blessings. Enjoy you guys' time with family. Like I mentioned in the comment, yes, tap the screen, you guys. Tap the screen. Hit the like button. Continue to hit the like button. We only have 7 likes. Y'all tripping. Double tap the screen, please. Double tap the screen. Thank you. What's going on? We have got about 106 in the building. Double tap the screen, please. To continue to hit the like button. Thank you. Continue. Let's do this other one. Happy Turkey Day. Are you guys staying in? Going to family's house? What's the plans? Did you have to cook? Did your wife or your girlfriend have to cook this morning? Like the video.
Team, a home
fair use reaction clip.
Monitoring system at his Upper East Side Manhattan apartment. They tried it all, but the judge still felt that, quote, no condition or combination of conditions will reasonably assure the safety of the community. So why is Diddy deemed so dangerous? Joining me now is one of Diddy's former attorneys, Mark Garagos, and also trial attorney Misty Maris. It's good to see both of you. Misty, why do you think the judge denied it again for the third time? And it took a little bit of time this time. I mean, it seemed like they thought about it more because he didn't just deny it right away.
The judge definitely contemplated this one and asked for a lot of analysis as to why Diddy's case is different than other cases where there are similar allegations in the indictment. But ultimately, in this most recent court order, the judge said that the prosecutors presented direct evidence that Diddy had a propensity for violence. That, in combination with evidence that he actually tried to circumvent the rules of the Brooklyn Metropolitan Center, circumvent the rules of the prison when it came to communications, was enough to hold him behind bars and to deny him bail. But to your point, Brian, the judge definitely went through this analysis. The judge asked for specific case law relating to these specific issues, but ultimately made that determination that Diddy, there was nothing that the defense could offer to make it safe for the community for him to be out on bail. And that was the basis for it.
Mark, why is this unfair?
I've been up since...
Well, I think that, it's hard to, and there's no right answer here, but my feeling was that going into the weekend, as of Friday and going into the weekend, I thought the defense had a better than 50-50 shot of getting bail. I think when they filed, and I may have mentioned this on this show or at least on News Nation, when they filed their response on Monday, I thought they had the better argument. The government's last salvo or filing, I think, turned his honor. I think what Misty refers to, I mean, I know he based it on the threat of violence. I don't think my feeling. I don't know. I'm not in the judge's head. My feeling was the allegation that he circumvented some of these phone rules over the weekend. I think just turned him, and I think that's what took so long. And that's that's it. I mean, he's going to, absent something happening where the government screws up turning over discovery, or he gets thwarted in being able to prepare for his defense, he needs to just immediately stop thinking about bail and start preparing for trial, because this is going to trial.
Can he try for a fourth time, Mark?
All right, y'all to enjoy.
Yeah, he absolutely can. In fact, the judge says in his order today that even if they say there's nothing new, he's going to assume under the law, which he can do, that he's going to take another look at this. He can always take another look at this. I mean, I could give you
like the video, like the video. Continue to like the video, like the video.
About 40 different examples of things that could happen that could re-raise the issue of bail. But if I were advising him right now, I would be advising him, let's stop talking about bail. Let's concentrate on getting you out of here and on the trial. And that's where I would be focused at this point. I know I'm jumping ahead, but can I? Yeah, Brian.
Sure, go ahead, Mark.
Just ask you one thing. Well, your producer sent over some questions and hit on one of the things that was very aggravating to me that I read an article yesterday. I don't know if Misty saw the same thing and it aggravated her. It was something like Diddy invokes Trump in an effort to get out. That was such a clickbait kind of a headline, and it was very aggravating because what Diddy did and what they filed was a really thoughtful and well done, I thought, expression of why his First Amendment rights as somebody in custody are being quashed by the prosecution. And yes, he did invoke.
So are you guys surprised he didn't? Or are you guys surprised that the judge was almost considering it, but then he had to take in the letters, what had already been done, what another judge had said? Are you guys surprised that he didn't get? And especially before the holiday. Like the video, like the video. Are you guys staying in to cook, or are you guys going out? Like the video, like the video.
The United States versus Trump, but because United States versus Trump is now a case that stands for the proposition that the prosecution doesn't get to just slime you unremittingly.
Hey, thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation.
So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to do a video, pop in, to stay a part of the algorithm. We definitely, for me, since I decided to go live every day, I pretty much have to go live to bring you guys updates. But I was supposed to do a video last night. I had some things going on, and this morning I was cooking. So I just wanted to pop in, say hello, happy Thanksgiving, many blessings, enjoy time with family. Don't get caught up in no drama, no issues. Have a driver, call Lyft, Uber if you get too turned up. But definitely stay safe. Stay away from drama issues. But if you go to the fun house, you ain't got to worry about drama issues. But enjoy your day, everyone. Happy Turkey Day. Happy Thanksgiving. Some of our family and friends are not here. So sending prayers to family members that may be dealing with that this holiday. Sometimes check on the family members that might have lost somebody. Show them love. Take a dish to pass. If you're that type that likes to take several plates to go, make sure you bring several things in the house and share. Some people have lost a lot of people this year, so we got to keep them in our prayers. Come call some of those people. You know what I mean? So be kind, be respectful, enjoy. We're going to go ahead and do the disclaimer, copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976. Allowances made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comments, news reporting, teaching, scholarships and research. Fair use is use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. All comments are alleged, in our opinion, and for entertainment purposes only. Thanks for being here, everyone. Be blessed. Focus on healthy, safe relationships. Be around people that's loving, kind, and respectful. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Be blessed. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Goodbye.